Crafting an Inspiring AI Channel for Online Success Description. This guide explores the art of choosing an engaging YouTube channel concept in the field of artificial intelligence, with a focus on inspiring content creation and online profitability. Understanding AI niches. Discover the various niches within artificial intelligence, such as machine learning and robotics, to pinpoint a specific area that aligns with personal interest and audience appeal. Identifying passion and expertise. Choose a channel concept that resonates with personal passion and expertise, creating authentic content that connects with viewers on a genuine level. Addressing audience needs. Craft content that addresses common questions and provides valuable insights, establishing the channel as a trusted resource for the audience. Trends and innovation. Stay current with the latest AI trends and innovations, creating content that reflects cutting-edge developments to attract a broader audience and increase the potential for virality. Collaboration and community building. Explore collaborative opportunities within the AI community to broaden the channel's reach and foster a sense of community among enthusiasts. Monetization strategies. Consider potential revenue streams such as ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise, shaping the content strategy and business model for sustained online profitability. Conclusion. Selecting an inspiring AI channel concept involves a strategic blend of personal passion, audience engagement, and innovative content creation, setting the stage for both viewer captivation and online success.